Hey guys, it's Holden here with complete detail cleaning and restoration of Troy and Dayton, Ohio. Wanted to tune in with you here, kind of show you a water loss that we ran into here. This is a rehabilitation facility. They had a water supply line that broke in the ceiling, and maybe it ran for a day or so, and just completely caused huge disaster throughout this building. And throughout the whole building, you can see water droplets and condensation pretty much on everything, from the walls to the ceilings, and of course on all the floors throughout. Just wanted to tune in here with you and see the extent of what can happen when a fire suppression line breaks in a commercial building like this and is left unattended. Causes a ton of damage. Luckily, this building is not being used currently, so we'll have a little bit of time to work on this one and help them get it all fixed up. We're going to start by doing an inventory and pack out of all of the contents and belongings that are in this building. We want to make sure that everything's accounted for. All their furniture, all the desks, books, any item that we can save. We want to make sure that we account for all that. So we'll be doing some packing and some moving, some inventorying, and then from there we'll be able to start the cleanup. We'll start cleaning up all this wet insulation and all the trash that's kind of on the floor throughout this whole building. Get it out of our way. Here's the fire line that broke actually right here. And so once we get all the trash out of here and all the contents inventoried, we will come through and remove most of all the damaged drywall. There might be some of it that we can save at a building like this, but probably not very much. You can see the water line down here. The doors actually held the water back quite a bit. So the water did get pretty high through the whole building. We'll need to come in and remove all the flooring. And since the power is off here, that means the heat is off as well. And so we'll bring in temporary heat, temporary power, some generators, and we will make sure that we can heat this thing up so we can start drying it out. It's definitely a disaster when something like this happens. Very unfortunate for a property and for the property owner and all involved. But that's why we love specializing in this kind of work. We can come into a location like this and help get it cleaned up for folks. Get it cleaned and dry, make sure they don't have any mold. And then we can help them put it all back together so they can get back to business. Well, thanks for tuning in with me. Just wanted to kind of show you guys the extent of what this looks like and what can happen firsthand when a fire suppression line breaks in a property that's left unattended. If you ever run into a situation like this yourself, or your company or your friends or family, keep complete detail cleaning and restoration in mind. We'll be glad to come in and help get it all cleaned up and get you back to where you want to be. All right, thanks for tuning in. Bye.